Hi, I'm Neil from the Financial Aid Office at the University of St. Thomas. I know the words financial aid can feel a little intimidating, so let's break it down together. Think of this as a quick guided tour of your personalized financial aid offer. By the end, you'll feel more confident about what these numbers mean and what options you have to make attending St. Thomas work for you. First, let's look at the total cost of attendance. This includes everything it costs to be a student for the year. There are two parts. Billable costs are charges like tuition, required fees, and housing if you live on campus. Non-billable costs are things like transportation and personal expenses. You won't see these on your bill, but they're still part of the cost of being a student. Think of this as the starting point. Don't panic at the big number. You're not paying all of this out of pocket. This is where financial aid steps in to help. Now let's look at scholarships and grants, what we call gift aid. These are amounts you don't have to repay, so they're a big part of making college affordable. Your offer includes scholarships from St. Thomas, possible grants from the university, and possible federal and state grants from your FAFSA. These totals are for the year, and you can see more details in your MurphyOnline account. Think of this section as the foundation of your financial aid. If scholarships and grants don't cover everything, the next step is to consider federal student loans. Subsidized loans don't accrue interest while you're in school, while unsubsidized loans start accruing right away. Remember, loans are an option, not a requirement. Work study is another opportunity. It's not guaranteed aid, but if you qualify, you can earn more money for expenses through campus jobs. Now let's talk about what's left, your remaining costs. At St. Thomas, tuition is due September 19th for fall semester and February 19th for spring semester. We understand this might not be doable for everyone, and that's okay. Here's how you can cover this amount. You can use our monthly payment plan. You can also consider student loans like a private loan or a federal Parent Plus loan. You can apply for outside scholarships. There are so many opportunities that are out there to help lower your costs. You don't have to figure this out alone. We're here to help every step of the way. Your MurphyOnline account is the key to managing your financial aid. By scanning the QR code on your offer, you can activate your account and access important details like updates to your financial aid offer, itemized breakdowns of aid, and payment deadlines. Make sure to check it regularly for updates. At St. Thomas, we want to make sure you feel supported every step of the way. If you have questions or need help making sense of your options, reach out to your financial aid counselor. We're here to help you figure this out one step at a time.